got 4 active and 4 RTV.
Okay. So 2.8 is this speed already?
Oh, okay.
Yes, at 12:24.
Okay. So basically, right now we're performing what we refer to as a DOM ops exercise, domestic operations. Basically, we're rehearsing what we would do in an emergency situation, working with civilian entities such as the El Paso County Sheriff's Department, Incident Command we're working with. So we've got all these different entities working together for this exercise. This area right here is basically a dispatch center. So I am sending out all of my elements to different locations to assist civilians in need. The general thought or the scenario is that there's been a massive blizzard in the area. People are stranded, they can't get supplies they needed, medical supplies, that sort of thing. So our job is to take medical supplies, take pick up people who are stranded, that type of thing. So we've got about 17 different assets we're managing and moving around all over Colorado Springs, and they're physically out there picking up people that El Paso County Sheriff's Department have staged. They're picking those people up, taking them where they need. So we're doing trips to the Evans Army Hospital. We've done several scenarios where we pick up insulin, take it to somebody's residence. So kind of got us running all over the place, but it's a really good exercise. That's the one that's spaced out. Okay, we got another high priority mission. Who are we sending?
Fulmer.
Got it.
It's a crash with injury. They're going to need to go to St. Francis. So who are we sending?
Fulmer.
Fulmer? Okay. Make sure he's got a radio. Get him up here quick because this is high priority.
527.
Mobber, who do you want to assign to that?
Fulmer. Sergeant Fulmer's getting
What's the, so HQ what?
Fulmer is 81.
Right, HQ 81.
Charles, if you're up to date, yeah.
Do you have a copy of it?
Yes, that's yours.
Oh,
We've got ours hanging up. So
high priority.
yeah, so you got to get on the way. They're injured person. So
Okay. Text or call whenever you guys speak. Crash and injury, 10 cents. Still just doing one vehicle, right?
yep.
All right.
Pick them up and move them out.
Deuces.
This afternoon.
'81, let's go. High priority. Victim bleeding out in the parking lot. Also being videotaped.
Hey, drop bro.
Okay, 6 Romeo, this is HQ 21. Our civilian is at the Red Cross.
All right.
ETA 10 minutes. Right now we're going on a high priority. We're going to get a lot more information while we're moving. But right now we just have an address, so we're going to start heading that way.
Do you know what the mission is?
Negative, not yet. We'll know here soon.
Do me a quick favor, tell me why you love doing this.
I love doing it because I love serving my country. That's why I love doing it. Is that good enough?
That's good.
It's the truth.
Yeah, my secondary, my TC, he's in there and he's waiting on a mission right now. So whatever they give him. We're out here conducting practice missions, anything to help the neighborhood, the community, any sort of emergency issues that they may have.
Tell me why you love doing this.
Well, there's a lot of reasons, but I love it just to help out the community.
So in the scenario, El Paso County is not the only area that's been hit. That's why the governor notionally called the entire National Guard. So the JOC is, from what I understand, is managing all the pieces. So there's several different operations centers similar to our talk all over the state. I know we had a company doing this exercise yesterday that was located out of Fort Lupton. So they're kind of all over the area, and they're doing the same thing, managing their pieces. So the JOC is kind of the overall head, and they're really managing the National Guard piece, and then working back and forth with each of the civilian entities that are involved in the exercise and making sure that everybody's talking, that we're all kind of on the same page.